my channel. I'm here today to pot up the agave that I got at the yard sale. This pot I also got at the yard sale. That was today. Today is Saturday. It's still early here. It's just a gloomy day. It's probably like 12 o'clock. And I already made drainage. This was really thick, so it was pretty hard, but I got it. I don't really care how the bottom looks. I just care about the rest of it. It was from Edibles Arrangement. It's a really pretty yellow pot. I like these agaves, but I don't like them big. They can get pretty big. So this is a good size that I want to keep it. It got hurt here. I don't know if I didn't notice if she hurt it when she was trying to grab it, but it's okay. Eventually it'll shed that. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop this up and talk about today. I'm drinking some iced coffee. I'm a big coffee person. Big coffee person. Okay guys, so just gonna go ahead. My same old mix as always. It's just, oops, I forgot. I was gonna put what's it called? A little bit of mesh under there, so that when I water it, the dirt doesn't fall everywhere. Whenever you move the pot, it's falling. Look at Maxie. Look at her. Look at her. Can you guys see? Maxie, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Anyways, today is Saturday and it's garbage day here. So you'll hear the garbage truck passing by. So yeah, it's so exciting to meet people that love plants just like you do. So how did she end up knowing that I have plants? Because they had some pots and they were painted. They were just regular small terracotta pots, and the lady wanted $2 for all, some other ladies. So there was two ladies having a yard sale together. So the other lady wanted $2, and guys, you know that I have to be, as inexpensive as possible because I'm constantly buying pots. So I mean, those pots, I get them two of them for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So I was like, no, it's okay. And then I'm like, oh, then the lady that likes the plants, you know what she was doing? She was taking tissue boxes, like the pretty hard ones. They have glass ones and plastic ones. She was flipping it upside down and putting mesh on it like this to turn it into a pot. I'm like, oh wow, you're so creative. I'm like, that's so nice. I'm like, that's a good idea. I have a greenhouse for my succulent cactus. She goes, oh, you do? And that's where she proceeded to show me all her plants, and we started talking about plants. I think I was there for 30 minutes. Like, that's a long time, but it's about plants. And yeah, I shared what I know and she shared what she knows, and then I told her about my Instagram and stuff like that. So she had a bunch of these. It hurts so bad when you prick yourself with this, but she had a bunch of them. And yeah, she gave, I bought this one. I offered to buy it from her for $2, this one. And then the rest of the cuttings she gave for free. So yeah, that was pretty cool. That's how you can meet people, just sharing a little bit about yourself, and you never know, you might have a lot in common. So that was pretty cool. Oh, this one hurts. I'm trying to keep that leaf out. I don't want any of these in. And this pretty pot I'm probably gonna keep outside, not in the greenhouse. This was already living outside and it was doing really well. Agaves are pretty tough, so we'll see. So I was so interested in her pots. She had many pots, as you saw in the video, and they handled, we're talking about inches and inches of rain here, because the last couple of days it rained for days straight. I mean, my pool was overflowing, and her echeveria and all kinds of plants are just there. She doesn't move them, but they're established. And there's another fellow YouTuber that you guys should totally check out. She has a nursery, and that's how she decided to make a YouTube, was because she has a nursery, and her customers kept asking the same, very similar questions. So she's like, you know what? If I make videos of this, I can just refer them to my video instead of me repeating myself all the time. So that's how her YouTube came about. Her name is Maria, and her YouTube name is Maria's Garden. And she has an accent, so you know it's her, Maria's Garden. Very sweet lady. She is so nice. I called the nursery to talk to her, and she quickly got on the phone and talked to me like if she knew me forever and ever. So that was I'm like that, you know. So I was really pleased to talk to her, and then we also FaceTime and we talked about plants. She has tons and tons and tons of desert roses, and desert roses are very similar to succulent and cactus, you know, they're very similar. So, and she also has succulents. I'm encouraging her to do a succulent tour and to show all her succulents in a video. But yeah, she's in Florida also, but she's 2.5 hours away. Maybe I'll visit her one day, and maybe I'll take you guys with me. But yeah, you guys should check her channel. I'll put her info on the description box. Anyways, the reason I was telling you guys about her was because on her videos she was saying that the best time to plant succulents in the ground, at least here in Florida, right, what she has learned, because we have so much rain, was in September and November and October, because that is not our rainy season. We'll get rain, but not as much as now. It is not our rainy season. And I'm gonna remove this leaf because it's really bothering me. I'm sorry, but I don't like you there. Anyways, ow, I'm pricking myself every time. I should be wearing gloves. So that makes sense. And then I wondered if this is why also those pots are doing so well. Maybe this, obviously she won't remember because 3 years ago, but maybe that's when she planted those, you know, or yeah, I don't know. It could be so many reasons. And also that other big echeveria, she's in a terracotta pot, which helps, you know, the soil dry pretty quickly, and it allows it to breathe as well, the roots. So I wonder if that's the same case with my succulents that I have here by the palm tree, because they see lots of rain too, and they don't have rot. They do well. I don't have any issues with them. So I'm wondering, because I can't remember when I did it. I try to remember, but I can't. So I wonder if it's that, and if it is, I am really, really excited to try that, to buy some different succulents in September and plant them and just see how they do, and it'll be an experiment, and I can share with you guys, you know, what I find out, and that'll be pretty cool. The reason I'm always talking about Instagram is because it's an easy way for you guys to communicate with me, and then you guys share with me that you buy this and you buy that. Oh, beautiful butterfly just passed by. That you buy all these beautiful plants, and I want to see. And through Instagram is the easiest way for me to share pictures with you guys, or for you guys to share pictures with me, so you guys can do that. And Instagram is very different than Facebook, you know. It's just, I don't know, it's so different. It's not compared to Facebook. Facebook is just a lot of stuff going on, a lot. And Instagram, you will only see what you follow. So whatever you follow, that's what you're going to see. If you follow people that share about plants, that's what you're going to see. My feeds are mainly, all I see is plants, succulents and cactuses. That's what I see. And they're beautiful arrangements that people do, and giveaway. Lots of people do giveaways on Instagram. So yeah, that's what I see on my page. You guys should give it a try. If you don't like it, then you can delete the app. But it's a good way for you guys to share, because you guys will tell me, oh, I bought this plant, that plant, and I'm a visual person, so I really want to see what you got. Yeah. I encourage this lady because she had so many aloes, and these aloes, I mean not aloes, these agaves sell very well. So I was telling her she should sell them online through Facebook, and she didn't know that you can sell them. She didn't know that you can sell, that people sold plants and shipped them without roots. I mean, without dirt. I'm like, yeah, they'll do fine. So she's like, really? And I'm like, yeah. So she might look into that. That'll be cool for her. Okie dokie. So that's that. Now I just gotta clean her up. Okay, I'm not gonna bother to clean this rock because when I water it or the rain will come, it'll clean it nice, really nicely. Let's see how many times I prick myself. I like to put the dressing first and then clean it, because if I try to clean it with just the dirt on top, the dirt will fly everywhere. I hope you guys are having a good Saturday. So far so good here. I had a good time doing yard sales and meeting different people. Oh, and finding those random cactuses in the road, that was exciting. There was a bunch on that area. I don't know if a long time ago something was there that they're just randomly. There's nothing behind it nice. It's just it's behind a building, and then there's a fence, and then there's just a, you know, like you know how to call it. It's not even a sidewalk. It's just some grass, and then the road. I need to buy new rocks. I would like to get some lighter ones. Okay. Just gonna clean her up. I really like this yellow. I'm gonna use this to clean it up. I really like this. This is just a baby's nose thing. I don't even remember what this thing is called. Take out their boogies, a suction thing. You can get really close and just blow everything away. Right there. That's dirt there. And she was so kind. Her name is Sandy, I think. At the yard sale, so kind to let me share with you guys and record her plants. That was really nice. So nice to meet people that way. Okay, this is all cleaned up. So I paid $1 for this beautiful pot. Lately I'm into like yellow. I don't know why. I just feel a plant looks so pretty on there. There you go, guys. Let me show you up close. If it wasn't so gloomy, you guys could probably see it better. So pretty. Actually, I think this color like complements this. So pretty. Yeah, I might put it in the front porch. I don't know. Or maybe somewhere in the front by my rocks. I don't know. Yep. So pretty. Sometimes I'm weary. What if somebody just takes it? Because it's an easy pot to pick up. Anyways, guys. So that's what I'm going to share for today. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my channel. And I got dirt all over my coffee. Great. You guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye.